video we can learn how to draw logic circuits. So before trying some questions, we have to know how to draw logic circuits based on the basic gates. Suppose if you want to draw logic circuit for XY. XY means X and Y. This is AND operation. We have to pass X and Y through AND gate, we'll get XY. In the same way, if we want to get X plus Y, we have to pass X and Y through OR gate. Then we have to pass it through, OR gate. Then we will get X plus Y. Next, if you want to draw XY whole complement, we have to take X, Y, then pass it through AND gate. Then we'll get XY. Then pass it through NOT gate, we'll get XY complement. In the same way, X plus Y whole complement, take XY, pass it through OR gate, then we'll get X plus Y, then pass it through NOT gate, we'll get X plus Y whole complement. Next, X complement into Y complement. Take X, pass it through NOT gate, we'll get X complement, then Y, pass it through NOT gate, we will get Y complement, then pass it through AND gate, we will get X complement into Y complement. In the same way, X complement plus Y complement. Pass X separately through NOT gate, we'll get X complement. Y separately through NOT gate, we will get Y complement. Then we will pass it through OR gate, we will get X complement plus Y complement. Now, based on this, we can start learning how to draw logic circuits for Boolean expressions. So first, draw logic circuits for the following Boolean expression. So the first expression is X plus XY. So first take these terms separately. First X, we'll draw the signal and it have to pass through OR gate. Now another XY is there. So we can take connection from this X and we have to pass X and Y through OR gate. We will get X plus Y, then pass it through, we have to pass it through AND gate. Okay, we have to pass it through AND gate, then we will get XY, then we have to pass X and XY through OR gate, we will get X plus XY. Once again I will draw it. X is there, then from that X we can take the connection, then Y is there, we have to pass X and Y through AND gate, we will get XY. After that, we have to pass X and Y through OR gate, we will get X plus XY. Now next is A plus B complement. We will take A and B and pass it through OR gate. But B complement is here. So first we have to pass B through NOT gate, we will get B complement. After that, we have to pass it through OR gate, we will get A plus B complement. Now next question, X plus Y into Z. We will take XY. First we will consider the bracket XY through OR gate. Then we will get X plus Y. Then we have to pass XY and Z through AND gate. We will get X plus Y into Z. Next, AB plus B complement plus A complement B complement. We have to take each terms separately. First we will pass A and B through AND gate. We will get AB. Then we will take B complement. So we will take the connection from B. Then we will pass it through NOT gate. We will get B complement. Then A is here. So we will take the connection. Then pass it through NOT gate. We will get A complement. Now B complement is here. So we have to get connection from here, not from here. If we take the connection from here, we will get B only. So we are taking connection from here. Then we are passing A complement and B complement through AND gate. We will get A complement, B complement. Then B complement is here. Then we will pass all these through OR gate. Then we will get the result as AB plus B complement plus A complement into B complement. Now next, draw the logic circuits for the following. So first you have to draw the circuits. After that you have to watch the balance video. So the first question, X into X plus Y. So first we will consider the bracket. We will take XY, pass it through OR gate, we will get X plus Y. Then we can pass X and x plus y through AND gate, we'll get x into x plus y. Or we can write like this. First we can write xy, pass it through OR gate, we'll get x plus y. Now we can take the connection from here, then we can pass it through AND gate, then we'll get x plus x into x plus y. Or we can write like this, x, then we'll take connection, then y, then we'll pass it through OR gate, it will be x plus y, then we'll pass it through AND gate, we'll get x into x plus y. So this way we can draw the circuit. Next is AB plus B complement C. So first we'll take AB, pass it through AND gate, we will get AB. After that B, pass it through NOT gate, we will get B complement. Then C, we will pass both of this through AND gate, we will get B complement C. After that we will pass AB and B complement C through A OR gate, we will get AB plus B complement C. Now the next question is ABC whole complement. We will take ABC, then pass it through AND gate, we will get ABC, then pass it through NOT gate, we will get ABC complement. Next is X complement Y plus Z complement W. We will take X, pass it through NOT gate, we will get X complement, then Y, then pass both through AND gate, we will get X complement Y, then Z, pass it through NOT gate, we'll get Z complement W, then pass it through AND gate, we'll get Z complement W. After that, pass these through OR gate, we'll get X complement Y plus Z complement W. Next question, AB plus B complement C plus C complement A complement. So first we'll take each term separately. AB, we pass A and B through AND gate, we'll get AB. Now B is here, so take connection from there, pass it through NOT gate, we'll get B complement. Then pass B complement and C through AND gate, we'll get B complement C. Now see, he's here, take connection, pass it through NOT gate, we'll get C complement. Then A is here, then pass it through NOT gate, we'll get A complement. After that, we'll pass C complement and A complement through NOT AND gate, we'll get C complement and A complement. After that, we'll pass all these three through OR gate. Actually, I am not good in drawing, so you have to draw neatly using pencils and all, okay? Then the answer will be AB plus B complement C plus C complement A complement. Now next is X double complement. Take X, pass it through NOT gate, we'll get X complement. Again pass it through NOT gate, X double complement. Next A into B plus C complement. So we'll take A, then B, then C. In order to get C complement, pass it through NOT gate, we'll get C complement. After that, pass B and C through OR gate, we'll get B plus C complement. Then we'll pass both these through AND gate, will get A into B plus C complement. Next, draw logic circuits for the following. So first you have to draw logic circuits. After that, watch the balance video. From that, you have to check whether the gates drawn by you are correct or not. Then x complement y complement plus x complement plus xy. So we'll take each term separately. We'll take x, pass it through NOT gate, we'll get x complement. Then y, pass it through NOT gate, we'll get y complement. Then when x complement is a, we'll take like this. Then xy, we can take from here. We'll take x, then y. We can take the connection from here. Then we'll pass it through AND gate, we'll get xy. After that, in order to get x complement and y complement, we have to pass both these through AND gate. We'll get x complement, y complement. Then we have to pass these three through OR gate. Then we will get the result as x complement, y complement plus x complement plus xy. Now, next question. AB plus A complement C plus B complement A complement C. So we'll take AB, pass it through AND gate, then we'll take connection from here, pass it through NOT gate, A complement, then C, then pass both through AND gate, we'll get A complement C. Here we'll get AB. Next is B complement, A complement C. So we'll take B from here, then pass it through NOT gate, B complement. Now A complement is here, take the connection, then C. We can take C from here, then we will pass these three through AND gate, we'll get B complement, A complement, C. After that, we'll pass all these three through OR gate. Then we'll get the result as AB plus A complement C plus B complement A complement C. Now the next question, X plus Y and X complement plus Z complement and Y plus Z. So we have to draw X plus Y. In order to get X plus Y, we have to pass it through OR gate. Then we will get X plus Y. After that, X complement plus Z complement. We can take connection from here. Pass X through NOT gate, we will get X complement. Then Z. Pass it through NOT gate, we will get Z complement. After that, pass it through OR gate, we will get X complement plus Z complement. After that, Y Z. So we can take the connection Y from here, then Z from here. Y Z. Then pass it through OR gate, then we will get Y plus Z. After that, we have to pass all these three through AND gate. We are passing it through AND gate. Then we will get the result as X plus Y into X complement plus Z complement into Y plus Z. Next, XYZ complement plus ZX complement. So we have to take these terms separately. After that, we have to draw the logic circuit for the full Boolean expression. We'll take X, Y, Z. We have to pass Z through NOT gate, we'll get Z complement. Then we have to pass these three through AND gate. Then we will get X, Y, Z complement. Then we'll take Z, then X complement. We can take connection from here, pass it through NOT gate, we'll get X complement. Then Z here. Then we are passing it through AND gate, ZX complement. After that, we can pass it through OR gate. Then we will get the result as XYZ complement plus ZX complement. Now next question, YZ plus XZ. So we'll take Y, then Z, pass it through AND gate, we'll get YZ. Then we'll take X, then we'll take Z, then we'll pass it through AND gate, we'll get XZ. After that, we will pass both these through OR gate. Then we will get YZ plus XZ. Next, AB plus BC plus CD. We'll take AB, pass it through AND gate, then B, C, pass it through AND gate. So from here we will get AB, here we will get BC, now C, then D, pass it through AND gate, we will get CD. After that, we have to pass all these three through OR gate. Then the result will be AB plus BC plus CD. This will be the result. Next, AB complement C plus C complement B. So we'll take A, then B, pass through NOT gate, we'll get B complement, then C. Pass it through AND gate, then AB complement C, then we'll take C, pass it through NOT gate, we'll get C complement, then B. Again, we will pass these through AND gate, we will get C complement B. Next, we will pass both these through OR gate, we will get AB complement C plus C complement B. Now, next question is, we have to obtain Boolean expression from the logic circuit. Obtain the Boolean expression for the from the logic circuit. X, here then Y complement. When X and Y complement are passing through AND gate, we will get XY complement. Again, we are passing it through NOT gate, we will get XY complement. Then here Z passing through NOT gate, set complement, then W. It is passing through OR gate, we'll get set complement W. Now it is passing through OR gate, we'll get the result as XY complement into, not into, plus set complement plus W. This is the result. So in this way, we can draw logic circuits and obtain Boolean expression from logic circuit.